Hello everyone, welcome to FameWorld Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of algorithms, I am going to discuss depth first search. Actually, I have already discussed depth first search traversal, and today I am going to illustrate an example of depth first search. So here is an example of depth first search. I have already discussed depth first search traversal in a previous video. I hope you have watched that video. In this series of algorithms, I am discussing different algorithms available in the subjects like data structure, design analysis and algorithm, and even artificial intelligence algorithms are covered in this series. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, I request you to please subscribe the channel so you will get the notifications of my uploads. So starting with this numerical, this example, uh, here's a tree and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and here are these nodes available: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and H is the goal state, that is H is the goal node. So there are 8 nodes available and we can call them vertices too. And I have already discussed the concept of open and closed list in my previous lectures of the series. I hope you have watched the search algorithms present in this series. So here we have taken 2 lists, open and closed list. At the present, when the search is started, the open and closed, both the lists are empty. As soon as we traverse the first element, that is A, so the element A comes into the open list. Then after that, as soon as we have completed the traversal of A, and now we will move to the children vertices or the children nodes of A, and the children of A are B and C respectively. So now we will directly move the element A to the closed list, and the children of A, they are B and C, will come to the open list. So now we have to insert the elements here from left to right and in the open list. So now B is the first element of the list. Now when we will traverse element B, then we can clearly see that D and E are the 2 children of element B. So the B element will be sent to the closed list after A, and D and E will be written in the open list. So in the step 4 we can see in step 4 we can see that D and E are inserted from left to right, D and E, and the remaining C is written here, and B is transferred to closed list after A. So in the closed list the elements are inserted from right to left, and in the open list the elements are inserted from left to right in the case of depth first algorithm. Now moving further, we can see that there is no children or no child of D. So the element D will be transferred to closed list, but as there is no children, we cannot write any children element here. So D is transferred to closed list and E and C are left in the open list. After that, as soon as we move to E, so E is having a single child, that is H, and now we will move E to the closed list and H will be written to the open list. So E is here in the closed list, we have moved E to the closed list, and H is written here from left to right, and C was the remaining element. So in the open list here are H and C, and in the closed list A, B, D and E. I hope these points, these steps are clear. Now as we have to reach to H only, as it is the goal state, and we have already reached, and here's even no element of H here. So that is not the point that there is no children element of H, but as it is the goal node, we don't have to move further. We just have to transfer the goal state or this H element to the closed list, as I have already discussed in my previous videos that the element which has to be searched should be present in the closed list, because the final answer of any algorithm is the closed list elements. So here, as we can see, h is transferred to closed list, sorry, h is transferred to closed list and c is remaining here. H is transferred after a b d e h, and after that C is the only element which is remaining here, but we don't have to traverse C further anymore, because we have to reach to the goal state H, and we have already reached the state H. So now the H element is present in the closed list, so this is the final path. The final path from the starting element to the goal state. A was the starting element, A, B, D, E, H is the final path. I hope this algorithm is clear to you. I have already uploaded the video lectures of breadth first search traversal, depth first search traversal, best first search numerical, and this is the depth first search numerical. Further, I will upload the videos of iterative deepening DFS, that is iterating deepening depth first search, depth limited search, A sharp, or we can say A asterisk algorithm, and also the hill climbing and minimax algorithm. So stay tuned, press the notification bell, subscribe the channel, press the notification bell, so you will get the notification of the latest uploads. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends so they will get help in the algorithm portions of the curriculum subjects. If you have any query, if you have any doubts, you can put the query in the comment box, so I will work on it for you. And don't forget to subscribe Fame World Educational Hub. Stay tuned. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.